Hi guys, my name's Cully and I'm one of the aesthetic practitioners here at Skinox. And today I wanted to talk to you about one of my personal favourite treatments, and that is PRP therapy, which can be used both on the skin, so on your face and other parts of your body, and also on your scalp to regenerate hair growth. So why is PRP one of my favourite treatments? Well, I think it's a great treatment because it's natural. We're not using any external products or chemicals. We're essentially using your own blood cells to promote healing and cell growth. So what is PRP? PRP essentially stands for platelet-rich plasma. So plasma is a component in your blood. And it's rich in proteins, and these proteins can really help with cell growth and with healing and with regeneration. So essentially we would start the treatment by taking a blood sample, so not much different from when you've been to the doctors for a blood test. So it really is, it's a quick process and virtually pain-free. We do recommend that you drink plenty of water before you come in for your treatment, because that really helps to plump up the veins, and it just makes it easier to just get like a good blood sample. And as I say, and you will hear me say this a lot, is having a healthy diet and lifestyle really helps generally with any treatment that you're going to have, and especially in this case, you know, if you're eating well, if you're exercising and you're drinking lots of water, it is going to give us a really good sample that then we can use for the treatment. Okay, so after we've obtained the blood sample, we use a machine that's called a centrifuge. So your sample goes in there, and essentially it gets separated, so the plasma gets separated from the rest of the blood cells. So what we end up with at the end of it is something that's quite rich in proteins that then we can use essentially as a serum. So you know, PRP can be injected directly onto your skin. We can use microneedling, where we use small tiny needles to cause tiny punctures into your skin, and then it stimulates the body to create a wound healing response, which then helps to renew skin cells. So using PRP with the microneedling really gives a nice boost to this process, because it results in even more healing, more collagen production, more plumping than you would get with just the microneedling on its own. And we can take a really targeted approach as well. So we could use a single needle and really get into those problem areas. So like the smoker's lines above your mouth, which are also called perioral lines, the nasolabial folds. We can really get into those areas that you want to target, yeah? And we would use a similar technique on your scalp as well. So single injection points, just to those areas where you want to stimulate hair growth. So if you guys, you know, suffer from issues with skin elasticity, volume loss, dark under eye circles, so we can really get under those eyes. We can treat the lips as well. So if you've got any acne scarring, dull skin complexion, fine lines, wrinkles, and of course hair loss, you know, this really could be the treatment for you. And here at Skinox, we really do take pride in client care. So I always say, you know, book in for a consultation, let's have a chat, and then we can really tailor the treatment to your needs. You know, we're just happy to discuss any concerns and to give you the right advice. So for before your treatment and after, just to really maximize those results for you. Right, thanks for listening, guys.